Oh, very big, yeah. So, 2 person is 44,000 won. Weird. Oh my, you why like this, yeah?
고스트 시즌이지, 서머 시즌 고스트. 고스트. 야, this one toy. 아까 스케일 다 얘기하려나?
왜?
고스트?
Gusto ka dyan. So, nag-order kami guys ng smoothie mango and twist potato. So, nag-order kami ng isa niyan guys. Yeah! Let's try this twist potato. Wow! Ang haba niya guys.
오케이.
맛있어.
왔다 있구나.
This potato, yeah? Potato and cheese. Many cheese, yeah. Very thick cheese. Very masarap. And very soft. The potato is very soft.
맛있어요?
Masarap.
끝나?
So, smoothie mango yung in-order namin guys. Pero fake mango siya. Parang powder mango lang. Hindi siya totoong mango shake. Ay, mango smoothie.
Because mango expensive na.
Pero masarap naman siya. And I like this twist potato.
masarap. 필리핀 also fake mango na? 아시아.
Old Village kami guys. What taste you bo? Masarap.
치즈, 포테이토.
Ketchup.
강남 스타일. 오.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but
Very cool.
Handbook guys. Pwede kayong magsuot ng handbook dito. Ayan. So guys, old village dito guys sa Suwon. Sikat na tourist spot din to guys. Why they put like this? Diba?
Maybe stone. Yeah.
Maybe before wishing stone niya.
Very good, no?
Wow, very big yan. Bamboo Fan Workshop. Gagawa ng pamaypay, bamboo pamaypay. And handbook
미싱,
making.
you know 미싱?
Oo, I know that. Oh.
Make way, 한복.
Wow. Ayan guys, yung sinaunang mga gamit ng or traditional gamit ng Korean guys. Kibuyusin na yung buo.
핸드메이드라고.
Handmade ya. Oh, handmade siya guys. Oh, mga bamboo lang. Bamboo. Ito naman guys, mga muka.
핸드메이드야?
Also bamboo ya.
마스크야, 마스크.
You see, it looks like grill, di ba?
하우스메이드 보일드 봐.
Filipino, same like what is it?
있어? 가스 위에 가스기 봐.
어.
쌤쌤 비서노. Make fire here, fire.
Fire.
My grandmother was cooking this.
Why very big, yeah? Also,
Big
small
size,
is
small
one.
size. This one also. This one.
Very old na, di ba?
Cooking. Grandmother like this.
So, ganito guys yung bahay ng Korean. Wow. Tignan mo guys, oh.
Kitchen.
And this
Kitchen,
is,
cooking kitchen, and then 보일 봐. There down 보이냐?
Ibo, but very clean, di ba?
Because this is here not clean.
Or not clean. Guys, tingnan mo guys, oh. Bamboo.
오, very strong. 오. 오. 뭘. 다이어트야, 다이어트.
This is exercise, yeah. Oh!
와.
You want try?
싫어, very hard.
No.
따라, 곱단.
You buy medic. Go. You exercise.
Here, put bean and other food.
Bean.
오, very easy, very. 오.
More yata.
오.
Medic. You rich people.
Talking. Come here, open the door. People on the ball.
Oo. So, rich people daw guys, itong station na ito ay
앞에 숨을 오니 아들 몰몰 빌자.
oo.
베리티가 베리비.
This is food station niya.
라이스야, 라이스, 세이브 라이스.
Guys, oh, yung loob. Parang nasa K-drama ko guys, oh, di ba? Tingnan mo nasa loob. Yung mga napapanood natin sa K-drama. So, old village siya dito guys, sa Sowon.
괜찮냐?
Yung writing is so
사투농이야? 가던데.
farmer house. Yeah boy, this one study area, yeah, you see na. Boy, meron like this here.
I don't know.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hit.
Yubo, I want listen the water.
와, 뭐야.
Wow, ang sarap pakinggan ng tubig guys. Oh, wow.
와.
Wow.
오, 이거요.
I want swimming.
베리 빅이야,
Wow, ang sarap pakinggan ng water.
오,
우와.
뺐어. 오.
Relaxing niya.
와. Very clean.
Yubo, real. Wow, very tall ya, my love. Vegetable. But
오.
real vegetable.
있어?
Oh, it's so
필링나?
hard
오.
because it's really vegetable.
일단 붐이야, 붐.
You see na this one, oh.
와, 투야, 투. 오. 실절?
Wow. So, minix ko na guys yung rice and vegetable. And lagyan natin ng ano ba tawag dito? Guys, nakalimutan nung nag-serve sa akin ng walang ano siya, bulgogi. Only vegetable. What's that, Yubo?
설렁탕,
Solongtang,
noodle,
noodles, and
And then-
rice.
some
What's
salt na
that?
salt
Salt.
put here and then
Mix. Is it masarap?
rice put here. separi is okay ako my style. So,
That's all. Guys, haggard na yung face ko, guys. Kasi sobrang init and ganito pa yung suot ko. Akala ko kasi guys, yung pupuntahan namin is Samuel lang. And medyo malayo kaya sabi ng asawa ko dito na lang kami sa Old Village, malapit. Mga 20 minutes lang galing sa bahay.
here 용인 city.
Sarap. Welcome to my house.
대박 콜 빨리 콜 라떼.
This is my house.
Can inside 이거.
Can me. You also you can fit there. Oh.
Safe rice box. 빼대하고. rice.
Yubo, you see na very clean water.
Baby fishy.
It look like real. Fake, yeah. Kids rider.
와, 열쇠 났어. 와. 여보, first time 봐. 봐봐. 앞에 있는 거.
괜찮아.
게
그리고 나들이 이상 없이 고정되었습니다. 매우 많고 매우
이거 돼요,
중입니다. 우리 출발전에 간단한 스트레칭 먼저 하고 출발하도록
You always
하겠습니다.
beside me.
한번 팔팔팔팔.
우와. Are you present?
You there na lang.
Let's go. Mo.
Guys, grabe. Haggard na ako, oh. This is for baby, Why we ride this one? Why we ride this one?
I think you like.
So, sumakay kami ng train, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
She's not a celebrity, but she's taken.
Wow.
So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hit and give up.
Wow, very good job.
오, very good. 오, 양복이 좋아.
I guess my
Economy.
but it's okay.
Baby.
Just dangerous. Focus and break your heart.
Yo, but if you drop there, how to?
매니매니 핀풀이야 바디.
I'm thinking you go this deep water. This is nature.
It's my style.
Your style is only silent, yeah. pauwi na kami and sobrang nakakapagod. Parang nag-exercise kami dun. Sobrang laki ng old village dito sa Sowon. So yeah, pauwi na kami. Pagod na ako guys. As in, haggard na yung face ko. Pati yung asawa ko, pagod na rin. So yeah, pauwi na kami. So that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.